The situation on Russia's front lines has reached a breaking point. For months, analysts have warned about the mounting pressure on Russian troops, but recent developments suggest that something has finally snapped. The Russian military, once considered a formidable force, is now showing signs of severe strain, both on the battlefield and within its ranks. Reports from multiple sources indicate that morale is collapsing. Equipment is failing, and the logistical backbone that once supported Russia's military might is crumbling under the weight of continuous losses. Ukraine's strategic operations have put the Russian forces on the defensive, exploiting weaknesses that were long ignored. The front lines, once stable, are now marked by chaos. Units are reportedly retreating without orders. Communication lines are breaking down, and the once feared Russian artillery is struggling to maintain effectiveness. Even elite units are not immune. Stories of disorganized maneuvers, friendly fire incidents, and exhaustion are becoming increasingly common. The sense of invincibility that Putin projected to the world is now being dismantled, piece by piece. Experts point to a combination of factors causing this unraveling. Years of underinvestment in modern warfare technology, reliance on outdated Soviet-era equipment, and poorly trained conscripts are all contributing to the collapse. Meanwhile, Ukraine has received sophisticated weapon systems from Western allies, enabling precision strikes that have devastated Russian supply lines and key positions deep behind the front. The disparity between the two sides is growing, and the Russian military's inability to adapt is glaringly apparent. Casualty reports paint an even grimmer picture. Losses are mounting at an alarming rate, with estimates suggesting thousands of troops lost or incapacitated in recent weeks alone. These figures, combined with declining morale, suggest that Russia's capacity for sustained offensive operations is severely compromised. Soldiers are reportedly demoralized, with some abandoning their posts entirely, fearing for their survival. Insiders claim that frustration with leadership decisions is now widespread, and the loyalty of key commanders is being tested like never before. On the home front, public perception is also shifting. While state media continues to paint a picture of strength and victory, independent sources reveal growing discontent and fear among Russian families of soldiers. Reports of protests, anonymous letters, and social media posts criticizing the war effort are becoming more frequent, signaling cracks in the societal support that Putin has relied upon to justify military actions. This erosion of trust within both the military and civilian population creates a dangerous feedback loop that could further destabilize the already fragile situation. The operational failures on the front lines are not just tactical, they are strategic. Russia's inability to hold territory, maintain supply chains, and replace lost equipment in a timely manner has fundamentally weakened its position. Analysts warn that if these conditions persist, the Russian military could face a catastrophic collapse, leaving vast areas vulnerable and Putin's ambitions in ruins. Ukraine's continuous pressure is not just slowing the advance, it is exposing systemic failures that have been hidden for years. International observers are watching closely as the implications of Russia's military breakdown extend far beyond the battlefield. Geopolitical alliances, energy markets, and global security dynamics are all influenced by the stability of Putin's regime. The potential for a rapid deterioration in Russia's military capabilities could create unforeseen consequences, from regional instability to shifts in power among global actors. The world is witnessing a pivotal moment that may redefine Eastern European security for decades. In conclusion, the Russian military is facing a crisis unlike any it has encountered in modern history. With morale collapsing, equipment failing, and strategic operations unraveling, experts warn that the Kremlin's forces are on the brink. Ukraine's relentless campaigns, combined with systemic Russian weaknesses, have exposed vulnerabilities that could have long-lasting consequences. Something has indeed snapped on Russia's front lines, and the world is now witnessing the unraveling of a military once thought unstoppable. Putin's military, once a symbol of strength, now teeters on the edge of its deathbed, with no clear path to recovery in sight.